In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add sales pop-up in Shopify store. A sales pop-up is a helpful way to show customers that other shoppers are buying, or that a promotion is available. When it is set up correctly, it can improve trust and encourage more purchases. Today, you will install a sales pop-up app from the Shopify App Store, and then complete its setup so it appears on your storefront. First, go to your Shopify admin dashboard. You should see a left-hand menu with sections for different tools and settings. Look for the area labeled Apps. This is where Shopify keeps track of all the apps you have installed. Once you locate apps, click it. The page will update and show your current apps, along with an option to add new ones. This is the starting point for bringing the pop-up functionality into your store. Next, on the Apps page, click Add. After you click Add, you will be taken to a screen that allows you to install new Shopify apps. On that screen, you will see an option that leads you to the Shopify app marketplace. Click Shopify App Store so you can search for the exact app you want. Taking this step ensures you are in the official store, and it also makes it easier to find the correct version of the app. Now you are ready to search for the right application. Find the search bar on the Shopify App Store page. Type in Sales Pop, Order, and Sales Pop-up. Make sure the spelling matches what you see on screen. This search should bring up the Sales Pop app listing, which is designed specifically for displaying order and sales notifications as pop-ups. After the correct result appears, click Install. This tells Shopify that you want to add the app to your store. At this point, Shopify may present a confirmation or installation prompt. In your instructions, the next step says to click Install again, so follow what you see on screen. Click Install one more time to confirm the installation and begin the process. Doing this double confirmation is normal for Shopify, and it helps prevent accidental installs. Once you have completed the installation prompts, the app may take a moment to install. After that, you will be directed to finish the setup. This is the part that actually configures how the pop-up behaves on your storefront. When your screen shows the setup area, complete the setup steps that the app guides you through. Pay attention to any options for pop-up timing, display style, and where it will appear. The goal is to make sure the pop-up looks right, matches your store design, and shows the type of sales notifications you want visitors to see. While you complete this setup, it can help to confirm that the app is connected correctly to your Shopify store. If there are toggles for enabling the pop-up or selecting whether it is active, make sure those are turned on. Also check for any basic customization settings, such as how the message is formatted or how frequently the pop-up appears. These settings matter because they control the customer experience and can affect how often the pop-up shows without becoming distracting. When the setup process is finished and you return to the main app page or dashboard view, take a moment to review that everything shows as installed and configured. If the app provides a preview or testing option, you can use that to confirm the pop-up will appear as expected. After you confirm it is ready, your store should be set to show your sales pop-ups based on your configuration. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.